Place all the images you need on the work surface. Adjust the image dimensions to match the length of the phone case. Adjust the image rotation. Print the image on the platform to make it easier to observe the final print effect. Use the printed image to determine where to place the phone case. Use the printed image to determine where to place the phone case. Move the printhead to determine the effective distance between the printhead and the printed object.